Alright, boys, it is finally here, the last day of August. One of the shittiest months for sure. Personally, not for me. I mean, it was alright, but we're coming into December, boys. The fall, baby, big boy markets. But if you somehow have through this month or like felt like it was a little harder than it was, and like when I was starting out, like what does it mean harder? Like you know what I mean? The market doesn't run like this. You know what I mean? That's when it's nice markets. You know, when it's shitty markets like August, it does this. Oh shit! Sorry. I wish it was that easy. Hold on. It would look like this. You know what I mean? So yeah. Um. Yeah. Just hang on tight, guys. So I was looking for bullish price yesterday, and like I said, I did want to see a closure above this fair value right here, which we are now using an inverse. I would like, if we are going to continue higher with NQ, I would like to see it so, because we already did take out the all-time high for NQ. So I'm not really looking for a trade yesterday, guys. I did pretty good yesterday. Just waiting till what is it called? Till September, which is next week. NFP week is starting out next week, so I'm not really in a rush to push any trades today. We already take out all time ties. Be the 4 hours. Yeah, it looks messy. It looks messy. Nothing really grabbed my attention yet. I wish this wick would have held price from going lower. It looks like we actually went below it, so I don't know. We might use that as inverse. I don't know. I really don't know. Obviously, my buy side's still here, but are we gonna hit that today? I don't know. I really doubt. Just because of the day of the week. It's Friday. We already did hit all-time highs for NQ. So the probability of it still going higher even after like crazy today, it's pretty hard to try to think. I am gonna mark down previous day's low though. But yeah, I'm gonna take that low to the strike. I'll put this on the 4 hour though. But yeah, I mean, like we're still having support here within the CB. So I'm not really in a rush to get back my profits. My profits, my profits. Um, what did it say? Okay. So yeah, look, nice. Yeah, it's a breakaway. So I mean, I would be low key targeting, thingy. Previous is low, but we shall see. We shall see. I mean, I'm not really in the rush for anything. Like I said, I want to see what the previous 4 hour candle is. Yeah, we just took it. But yeah, this wick, I told you wicks are gaps, guys. So that's why I was like, well, no, I lied. I lied. Well, they are, but not in this. Not they don't look easy here. Um. Oh shit, 39, 39. 8:30 right there. Where's midnight? Midnight's right over there. 30's over here. Hold up. New York. Oh, I have night thingy on. That's why I'm like, why it looks so orange? Hold on, let me turn it off a little bit. There we go. Just a little bit so I can see the color better. Asia. Day of the week. Otherwise, I'm looking for the gray. There we go. Alright, I want to make it to make it nice and obvious, you know what I mean? Um, I don't see the. I'll make it gray too. How do you guys? Does anybody know how to put the actual Let me see if I can find it real quick. How do you call it? The lines? just took out that was yesterday. We just took out London low. Give me a sec.
The cup still stains the wooden grain. Your song still stains the evening's breath. I hum the bridge you never played, across a space that smells like death. The chords still hum behind the door. You're leaving stitched into the score. Coffee rings and blue notes fall down the corners of the wall. Melodies that can't forget the hands that wrote them in regret. If coffee stains and music last, maybe love can echo past. The hallway light was barely on, still you stood there like it was day. I asked if you were staying long. You smiled and looked away. Your coat hung loose, your hands were cold. I offered tea, but not my thoughts. You stayed in silence just enough to remind me what I lost.
Oh my bad, my dumbass. Yeah, I'm not looking for longs really. You see, we're just respecting bullish order flow. I mean, I would really want a continuation to previous day's low if we're gonna take that. For previous, oh shit, that's all the way down here. Well, I use the other one. I used this type of, this session, because they don't use midnight like we do. They use I forgot. Oh shit, we haven't taken London low. That's interesting. Okay. I wouldn't want to look for longs really, personally. I mean, if it looks super duper clean like after 10, then I don't know. The setup is there. Just take it. I would lower the risk 100%. I wouldn't go in with my regular risk. So again, we're just really bearish for now. We have a change in delivery. We bought another close again. I'm not really looking for anything crazy. What time is it? Okay, I'm gonna put on music, guys. Time to lock in. Ooh, the song is fire, bro. Guys, how do you put the time? How do you put I could see like the day and the. Does anybody know how to put the things? I know which opening is which. I know this is midnight. I mean, I know which one by a glance, but I prefer it you know what I mean? Like, you know what? Fuck this. I'll go no school. Hold on. Actually, no, I don't. Guys, how do you put the title? Like, I want to say midnight. I want to say, how do you do that? Does anybody know? Can somebody tell me, please? Is it this? Is it this? Is it this? Guys, does anybody know how to show like the midnight, like, you know, just the price level so I know what I'm referring to right now? Because I don't see it. 8:30, 9:30. Okay, we took out another low, nice. What's that? Yeah, we took out previous 4 hour. It's just so messy, dog. So messy. That is really crazy how we got this dump as soon as we took the liquidity. I would be looking for previous days low and maybe a rejection from there. But I'm not really looking for anything right now. Like I said, we did pretty good yesterday. I'm not trying to get back the rush back to profit, especially when it's not a high probabilistic trade anymore, in my opinion. 9:30. Alright, again, we have news, so I'm not gonna try to rush that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna wait. I really am gonna wait. Like, I'm bullish on the high type in, but wait, let me see something real quick. Yeah, I see we were rejecting this. So I don't know. I really wanted to see us trade back into this rebel again right here. These guys look juicy. However, not yet. Look at that. That's crazy. I mean, you got it from 8:30. Oh, there was news at 8:30 here. Damn, you would have been up by now, but a good amount. Okay, so we did hit previous low. Previous day's low. Nice, we about to hit it. Maybe we go for 80 lows here too. Yeah, I don't have a higher time frame as confident as I did yesterday. I mean, that kind of threw me off. The yeah, previous low has been hit. wouldn't trust really anything right now. Even if you were to get like a range of 50% range back up, I would need to see at least this get inverted if I feel confident taking this for a higher price traction. Yeah, we just took out we're gonna have some T's with thingy. But I would rather long and Q. How much stop would that be? That's a big ass stop loss. Assuming I could only go in with one. I go with two. It's just so freaking risky to continue on. I have my other chart open. So I want to see what ES is doing here. If I'm trading these guys, I'll probably trade this like a quick scalp up, like just 12-101 or something. I'm not gonna go crazy risk. Damn, it just looks so freaking messy right now. Okay, so I mean, again, guys, we're not really doing anything here. I'm just waiting to see what happens here. If I was even consider anything, I would definitely want to see this like break market structure shift like here. But the problem with that is we have a new week opening gap right above. So I don't know. I'll see here what it does here. Where's Asia range? Asia CBDR day, Asia. Okay, guys, I'm looking for. I know like it's very bearish, but my thumb is looking for longs. Especially just because we took out the previous low. I don't know. I'll see. I'm not like high time frame. I'm not really looking for anything too crazy, Cause bro, look at this. Look at this doodle. Look at this. What is this? Overall, I definitely don't want to see NQ close below again because it's gonna be really messy, and then we're probably gonna have a higher time frame FMT, and then that's not gonna be good. So I'm just really hoping that if you want to push higher, we'll push higher. You know what I mean? Like I'm not really trying to force anything. We already did take all-time highs yesterday for NQ, where we did it for ES. Sorry, for NQ we didn't, where for ES we did, and now we're having a thing. So if we even have a change in delivery here now, like you know what I mean? Like I'm gonna have to force my bias to switch more a little bit more bearish now because we would have an ISMT in the high time frame. But we'll see. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, it's a little risky to try and look for long today, but if you got balls, you got them Wall Street balls, you know, try to go for it. Especially because we're going to be rejecting new week opening gaps here too. Again, I wouldn't mind it, guys. Like, I love new week opening gaps. You know what I mean? Especially because we just got a major higher time frame level. So I'm definitely going to risk a little less. I'm just going to go for like a 101 or something, you know? Something simple. The only thing I just have to be really careful about is this. Yeah, this song is fire. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate if you guys could, you know, subscribe. Let's try to get to 50 subs. Drop a like if you guys haven't as well. That would be appreciated much. Candy. Sir, ma'am, they, them. Dude, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, you want to be safe, but I would just really go for the change set delivery. I'm just kicking my wrist, guys. It's kind of a big stop. Okay, let's just say we do. Okay, let's just say we do. Then what? Like, that's what you really gotta. Oh, let me see this. That's what you always gotta ask yourself. Like, oh, we. Then what? You know what I mean? Like, okay, we did this. Then now what? If you can you find your. Can you find your draw? If you can't find your draw, I mean, this looks clean to me, really, dude. Even this. But just like the way we're setting up is really, really, really dangerous. It's risky for sure. I would really prefer to have see this get inversed. It's gonna be hard, guys. It's gonna be hard. Yeah, fuck. Just because, even if we inverse this, it's not even gonna be worth it. Unless we take this trade back up into equilibrium or something. But even then, it's really, really risky. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't like today. I'm gonna see what news does. It just doesn't make sense to me. Nothing really, like right now, nothing really like sticks out to me. Even if we were to go to the upside, like, I don't know. I don't like the setup. It's not it's definitely not an A+ setup for me. Dude. Where's OTE? It's too messy. Yeah, I wouldn't really feel comfortable, really. Alright, guys, let's see what happened though. What happened at 10? We set previous 4-hour low. Again, if we close below this, I'll definitely take it. But I like that we break down. It's like a similar setup for me. Yeah, I gotta be very careful. You see, we're not really doing anything much. This looks really yucky. Yeah, I'm good. Again, I'm looking for longs. Why? I'm below every opening price. Yeah, we're so overextended. I'll see. I'll see. We're good. I'll see. You go 5 left below. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, this look like it's my next house right here. But I'd rather just give that up for Monday. I just don't have no. Yeah, I really don't want to chase this. Looks like we're going for more lows. I'll take the low. It's getting more very messy. Look like we're going for these lows right here. These liquidity now. It's fine, I guess. I don't really care. Anybody take a short? I'm gonna take this out. I like doing a manual instead. I'm gonna do this old school, man. F this. Oh, that's data high. That's crazy. I forgot about. We did have used a thingy, right? We do have data high. I just realized that. Yeah, I'm not even looking for shorts at this point. I'm looking for longs, but what was this? 827. What was that? 827. 827. We didn't have news. What the fuck was that? Yeah, this would be my draws. This would definitely be my draw. This and eventually this. All these slows are really. Yeah, we're going for these bad boys right here, guys. Yeah, we're probably gonna want to go lower. What time is it? 10:07. Maybe we have an hour deep retracer now, just because we took out the previous highs. Alright, yeah. I'm not really trying to look for shorts, guys. We're ready to lean the move. Let me see the 4 hour. How the 4 hour closed. Oh shit. Yikes. That's not good. You finally gotta change the send delivery, guys, on the 4 hour. Yep, we finally got it, boys. I said I didn't want to see it. Guess what? We did see it. Yeah, guys. So now I'm leaning more bearish. I'm definitely leaning more bearish now. I didn't want to see it. I wanted to see this thingy thing, but thingy thing. You come back to the volume balance right here, but I don't really pay attention to volume balances, dude. If I'm really being honest. Yeah, bro. Looks like we have finally switched bearish, gang boys. Maybe we're now ready to go down to the downside. You know, we're ready to go down to this FNG. Yeah, like I said, I'm not really looking for anything shady today. Yeah, guys, looks like we are no longer bearish. I mean bullish. That's tough. That's tough. I really don't know. Yeah, guys, I'm switching bearish now. We haven't officially switched bearish, guys. So what do I expect Monday, guys? Right? Monday or whoever wants to feel ballsy. I'll be tracing back into equilibrium of this price leg and go lower. Alright. What do we have here now? If we close bearish. A 4 hour busy. Now we're looking more bearish, guys. As time is going more and more. But yeah. We have now officially gotten a 4 hour CAZ, guys. No good, no good. These will be my draws right here. Let me take this off for the 4 hour. I'm gonna write this down real quick. Yeah, guys, I have a switch. Oh my gosh, that's a crazy amount of dump today, dude. Shit. Yeah, we find I'm leaning more bearish now, especially after we just took our buy side. That's really it. Now we have a higher time for SMT. So hey, man, it is what it is. Did anybody take a short? I mean, it was kind of hard to take a short if you really didn't know what you were looking for. And we didn't really manipulate Asia. Like, if we had like London do this and then do that, then I would have looked for a retracement back into it. But Yeah, nah, we're good. Damn, that's crazy. We just really just took it. That's how you know liquidity is not what they call random. You know, we literally took these highs. Now we have our SMT, guys. That's crazy. We do now have a higher SMT. We now have an SMT, guys. We now have an SMT. Yeah, guys, we have an SMT now. I'm needing more bearish now for sure. Going into the week for next week. This would probably be my draw if I'm really being honest. 8-1. Yeah, this would be my draw, boys. If we continue to have a strong momentum to the downside. Oh, it's the hour, my bad. Yeah, for sure this will be my draw for next week. If we have a pullback back into the range to go lower. This right here, this bad boy. Yeah, guys, I'm definitely I'm definitely now like more bearish and bullish for sure now. We have a higher time SMT. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. I mean, we just wait, you know. We just wait for the market to tell us what it wants to do. These drops are juicy. So yeah, guys, we are now bearish. I wouldn't say officially, but most likely bearish now. You know. Now with no going into I don't really want to catch anything. There's nothing really to catch if I'm being honest. Like, if you want to gamble and try to pick a reversal point, then yeah. But I'd rather just align myself with the higher time frames. We have a change to delivery, guys. We now have a breaker. If we close below this low, then we have a breaker. I would use that next week. I would take the range, new range, this new swing leg. Something like this. Pull back up into equilibrium. I would want to see this ray hold right here. Oh, not busy, sorry, Sippy. And I will start targeting these lows and eventually this low. Hopefully now we have a nice short. What do we usually have for September? For the month of September's. What are we in? No. Oh, guys, what is it called again? Oh, this one. September usually bearish. So, and this is usually bullish. Ironically, right? I don't know, but it doesn't matter. We don't have to know that stuff. BS stuff. Well, not BS, just extra loaded information. Yeah, guys, so I don't really see this happening anymore. We do have a higher time from SMT. You know, so we might just go lower. But this is definitely an easy draw right here. This low right here. Why? It's a swing low, aka liquidity, into under a fair value gap. Just look at this right here. That would be my easy draw, easy targets. I mean, I don't know what to put. I mean, I don't know what to do now at this point. We can continue lower, but damn, that was a nasty. That was a crazy dump, dude. Yeah, I wouldn't want to try to catch a reversal, dude. I would not want to catch a reversal here. It's such a falling knife. Like when you want to catch reverses, you know that they should be quick. You know, either a session high, previous day low, previous hour low, previous 4 hour. You know, like a nice reversal during the 10 a.m. reversal time. But when you have like just expansion one side, trying to pick that exact reversal from all this bearishness is crazy. You're gonna you're most likely gonna get whooped. You're probably gonna have like that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then you're thinking, and then that, and then finally that. So it's like it doesn't really make sense to try to do that today, especially on Friday, guys. You guys gotta think about it. Friday's usually like, you know, thing of the week. I would not expect this if I'm being honest. Type of move today. I would expect more like a chop, but I mean it's kind of good that we did have it for two reasons. Just because I know now what I'm gonna be looking for. Now from now on, we have a 4 hour chance in delivery. You know, we can have a pullback into the range, and then continue lower. We have a high time from SMT, so now I'm leaning more bearish. So yeah, I mean, I don't really want to press the button. I really didn't even want to press it. We were good this week. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it? You see, we're good for the week, bro. Like, I'm not trying to risk any of that back today. You know what I mean? This week. Sorry, last week. Today. From Monday. Yeah, we're almost 0.5%, so. We're about 1% actually. You know, so I'm not trying to risk that in. I'm not trying to give that back. I don't know why it shows that I take like 4 trades, but I only take like 2 trades. I guess it counts the contracts, right? As like separate trades. I don't know why. Like how do you go to the lyrics again? You see? 7 trades. What the fuck? I don't take 7 trades. It counts the contract. I'm assuming as its own, right? Yeah, I'm assuming that's what it does. Because yesterday I went in with 3 contracts, I believe. No, I don't remember. I ain't take no 4 trades. That's crazy. I ain't take no 13 trades. I guess it counts the like the amount of contract size you take. Yeah, I mean August has been doo doo, bro. Like this. Yeah, I'm not trying to catch up today. Let this night fall without me today. It's cool. Learn to stay back, relax. There'll be more setups. We have guys. We do have NFP on Monday, so heads up on that. I'm assuming, right? We have a bank holiday. Shit. Okay, so Tuesday is looking like we're probably just gonna lower risk a lot. We do have news. That's the only reason why you want to be there. Wednesday we have news. So Wednesday we want to be done by Tuesday and Wednesday, guys. Thursday we don't trade. It's NFP week. Friday, non-farm employment change. NFP, guys. This is NFP. All right. So you want to be done with this, guys. With this for sure. By these 2 days. Tuesday I might lower my risk a little bit, depending how good the setup is, and then Wednesday I'm probably gonna risk a little bit, you know. Yeah. So this outside was hit. Like we're anticipating dumps, guys. The thing is, Monday we might just have a pullback back into that 50% of this range. From this long leg to this long leg to go lower. I don't know. I really don't know what's gonna happen Monday, but we don't really have to. We're just gonna wait and see. You know, we can literally just. The thing is, we don't always have to. Like for example, today, right? Like let's just say we on Monday, right? Like we don't retrace that 50%, but we have. Like we could still scalp intraday. You know, equal lows. We take this London high. I'm definitely still looking for short. I'm looking for short tier, and I don't even have to be 50% range. I would just obviously be a little cautious about my RR. I mean my risk. But we don't have to be 50% of this whole range again, like for example, right? Like that, right? Like we haven't hit 50%, but we did hit London high, equal high, and then we equal up. But I'm taking that short. I don't care. I'm not really like trying to, you know, because we might just take that low liquidity and go back high and then go lower. So it's like, you know, if your setup is there, bro, like you have clear. The thing is, bro, you have to know where your draw is up. Like if you want to trade, if you're waiting to go to the upside, then you take downside first. Like where are you looking for, bro? Where here? London highs, equal highs, London. You know what I mean? But the thing is, the market's already switched, in my opinion. So I'm not looking for anything really crazy. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to get back my promise. Let me see if Tyler took any trades today. Did he take any trades? Bro, freaking fall in New York, dude. That's one thing I do. Oh, he took it long. Oh, he got balls. Oh yeah, he got balls, dude. Where did he take it from? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm assuming he took it after the south side, right? Did he take it from the south? Yeah, he did take it from the south side. 23, 4, 34. 24, 4, 3, 4. I think it is south side he's talking about, no? Yeah. 24, 4, 3, 4. You see, he felt balls. You see, guys, like, he felt the balls. You know, he took it. Like, the thing is, I told you guys, like, you could reject from this point or, like, from a whatever, but, like, you really don't, I really don't feel comfortable taking a short or long after this. I'm assuming he took it after here now, the changes in delivery. Yeah, he took it 4, 3. Yeah, that's what that's crazy, bro. I'm assuming he entered from the change in delivery from the 1 minute. That takes balls. That's experience for sure. I would only do that when I'm really confident, like where my bias is, you know, like especially if we just took a like specific like high time. We have a high time frame with us. Then yeah, I'll take it. Where are you getting it? Yeah, from the change in delivery. I'm assuming. He entered with the market. I'm assuming. Yeah, from change in delivery basically. Oh, that takes balls, dog. I'm not doing that shit. Hell no. And good for him though, you know. Like this is why experience is such a big ass key component to trading, because you know you could lose it, but you know you're confident to win it back. You know what I mean? I mean, hopefully he does win. I don't know. I wouldn't take it though. There's a 5 minute right here. That's crazy. Yeah, so he did take it from this liquidity point. Oh, this was thingy that the Nvidia earnings. That's why. That's crazy. But how come he didn't take this in if he felt like? Yeah, he got it from the change to run the M1. That's crazy. Did it inverses? I mean, was there a radical gap here? Nah, I'm not doing that shit. Hell no. Okay, so you definitely, if you're bullish, you really want to hold these hold. Like I said, I wouldn't be looking for shorts, guys. If I was to trade, I would look for minor pullbacks, because this could just be a pullback, guys. Like I said, a pullback back into the range, which I'm assuming that's what he's scalping for, no? Or is he scalping for the full? Like, I don't think he's scalping reversals, is he? No, not Tanya. It's Tyler. Oh, she did stream today. Oh, she's streaming. Yeah, you definitely want to see these hold. You definitely want to see these hold. I would just go for a 1-to-1. That's my rules on Fridays. If I trade, I'm just going for a 1-to-1 with lower risk. You're not trying to crash out on a Friday, dude. Like, you're not. Alright, you need to see this hold, dude. For sure, for sure. Ooh, that's crazy. Hey, I just gave this man a whole $2. What are they going for? 23, 519? 23, 519. What is he going for? $23, 519. Oh, the top of that fair value gap? Oh yeah, he is going for that top of that fair value gap. Nah, I wouldn't go for. Oh shit, yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. It's risky, guys. It's really risky right now. That's crazy. Yeah, it's really risky. It's such a falling knife. That's the thing. I really hope he wins though. That's not good. It inversed this already. It's not good for this. This auto block needs to hold though, for sure. It definitely looks cleaner here. It looked cleaner on ES. I would have taken ES low key, preferably. Imagine during a macro. For sure, I would have to wait for a macro because it's too risky. It's not clean. The only time I take like 1 minute CIZs like yesterday or so was when I'm really pretty confident like in a high time frame draw. Like you know, like if it's really bullish and I'm just waiting for any reason to get in to go long during 10 to 11 or even after that. Like I don't care, I'm going in. But this is risky. In my opinion, this is risky. You know, but if it works, hey man, you have a good R. You got hell of a good R. Yeah, you got a good ass R. For sure, you get a good ass R. Even just scoping back to that. He should have taken a partial, bro. I would have been done with that. I definitely would have been done with that. I might enter if this gets inversed. Nah, I'm not gonna check. I feel like I'm not that because I feel like I just got manipulated because of him. But if it was like a high, like if I was really confident on top, like with the high time with another draw like, resting above, I would take this. Put my stop loss above here. Short term no, short term no, intermediate term no. Yeah, I'll put it above here. So, which is really the same thing. Again, I did inverse it, which is not good. I definitely want to see this get inverse at the top. Okay, that's good. Again, if I was confident higher, like for sure, like equal highs or something on M1, I would definitely feel good about taking that. But yeah, good. You see, you want to see this quickly get inverse, guys. This is a red flag. If you see this get respected and drawn lower, then it's not good. This is good. You see? Nice. My boy better take time. Oh, he took it off. Ah, you fucking pussy. Oh, you won't break even. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I would have done that too, but it's risky. It's really risky. I mean, if you're confident, he would probably get him back here again. You know, I'm gonna paper trade this. Why not? Did I buy it? What the fuck? I got it crazy though. I clicked it here, I don't know why I didn't. I'm trying to get in that in here. Nice. What time is it? Oh, it's 10:31. I'm assuming that was the manipulation. Let's continue higher. I want to see if it gets respected. Nice. But I would probably just go for 101. But since we got here, to get in here, dude. But my thing lag. Frankly, I would just go for 1-1, dude. I'm not. Fridays are not the day to be fucking around. I want to see that whole wick right here. Whenever you see like a weird wick in the middle of nowhere, just take the 50% of it and then. Look at that retest though, beautiful. My stop loss is here. That's if I go ballsy. But the thing is, we're already having SMTs here. You see? It's very risky too. That's something. It's very risky right now. It's very, 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 very risky. You don't know. Paper trading is good if you're using it to your advantage. If you know that you. Nice. No more SMTs. I'm assuming 1030 was a dropper candle, that's why it went down like that. But I would just close at 101. Fuck this. Take my money and run, boy. Yeah, I'm done. I wouldn't trade this. It's no more SMT though, that's a good thing. So you could probably hold longer if you really feel like it. But yeah. I want to see this hold. I wonder if Tyler got back in. Did he get back in? I'll probably protect my stop. You wanna see his fit? I wanna see his hold. That work. Bro, he has no skippable ad. That's crazy. Oh, he does. Oh, damn. I mean, yeah, protect your trade, bro. It's more important than the profits because you know your risk is really what's gonna carry you. But I still wouldn't feel confident. Let's have this lower or higher. Oh, yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, cause yeah, that's crazy. I would just close break even, dog. Yeah, now I would just keep it for the show, but yeah, it's not good. I don't think it's too risky. It's way too risky to try to catch a falling knife. This wick is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. It's really scary if it comes down there. I really hope it doesn't. It's really hard to try to. How's the farm in here? Boom, 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 boom. I need to start closing bullish. This is not a fun flong. I will close. The only reason why is this because I got a thing in late field, but it should have been my entry really. Yeah. 10:38. I wonder what the 30-minute did then. Hold up. I'm assuming it went lower, right? At 10:30 went lower, and I'm assuming I have to go higher now. Because we do have this 30-minute fair value gap on top. And all these fair value. And I'm saying, like, if you want to be risky, like, you could hold into an even equilibrium with this leg, but I just don't like it right now. I don't like it. I mean, our paper traders, I wouldn't really have long this. It's too risky for me. Too risky. I probably would have entered here though, for sure. Like a little bit more confident to enter here if it was gonna reverse this quickly. Tapped it. And off to the races we go. Whee! But yeah. That's not my type of trade. We start having really, I mean, you finally begin to disrespect. Yeah, that's good, I guess. But that's only because we're coming back to, most likely come back into equilibrium. They're not. Damn, I know Tyler's tight. I know he's tight. That's funny. Yeah, this was not fun to be in. I ain't like this. I did this on yesterday. I did it, but listen, the only reason why I did it yesterday was because I was confident. And we had SMTs, and I had clear, like, you know what I mean, like a clear draw, which was high all-time highs. That's why I got in here. And then that's why I moved risk quickly to equilibrium with it, and then it just eventually played out. And we did end up taking it after all. You see, so it wasn't a stupid trade. It had logic behind it. You know? Then we had a nice reverse pack. Ugh, trash. Yeah. Hey man, if you held that, GG. I wasn't held that. Hell no. Alright guys, so I'll probably end the stream here. Like I said, I wasn't really looking for trades today. You know what I mean? We were doing good in the week. Not reason to try to, get fancy towards the end of the week and try to go crazy. I would really want to see this hold though. This order block hold. I would really want to see this hold. Yeah, instead it's higher. We have. Yeah, we did close above it. Yeah, I would definitely have my stop loss here. Or take a partial. Oh man, I definitely want to see this hold. Yeah, I mean, I'm not taking that, guys. Like, I knew this was I told you guys this was it could have been a reversal point, but it's just such a wick off his wick, so, but, nah, I'm good. Yeah, I just gave this dude a whole, even then, but I don't care, I'm still waiting for, I really just want to have a nice closure on the 4 hours so I could feel more confident going into Monday looking for a retracement or whatever. Let me see what he's saying.
How many months were you in it, Junior Harry? 5 minute gap in here, 50% of this range.
Yeah, that 5 minute gap.
That sounds good. The ops, man. Stopped out, break even there.
Yeah.
Break even. Got like $40 profit on that. So we'll see here. 10:30 incoming in a few minutes. Thought it was worth a shot though.
Yeah, well, that looks right. I mean,
55 a month for 12 months. Okay.
alright, but yeah, guys, I'm the stream. I definitely want to see this hold. Why? Because you're already above the upper half of it already. We close above, so I want to see this 50% lower hold. We close above this one low, so I want to see it's protected. I don't like this. I want to see closures now above it. Anyways, guys, I'll see you boys Monday. It is NFP Monday, so I'm not. Oh wait, no. There's news Monday. There's no training Monday. No, it's gonna be such a lonely weekend. But it's cool. My stop loss would be here. For those wondering. For sure. My stop loss would be here. Let's put some Peso Pluma reverb. Oh my gosh, paper trading. Paper trading. Paper trading. Paper trading. Paper trading sucks. Hell no. It's good, but I really do feel like it just should be some short term type of thing. It should not be like something that takes a year or two. Like you need to have the real skin, the real, that real pressure behind you when you're doing the evals. Yeah, I would have been stopped out. Wow, that's crazy. Price is really trash there. Let's see, yes. I mean, it's respected there. It didn't even hit 50%. That's what I'm saying. It's risky trying to catch a falling knife. Like, I'm not really doing that. Hey boys, I'll see you guys.